In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Grammarly Google Chrome extension. If you write emails, reports, or social posts in your browser, this quick setup will help you get clearer, more polished writing with real-time suggestions. All you need is Google Chrome and a stable internet connection. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace where Chrome extensions are listed and verified, so it's the safest place to get Grammarly. You can access it directly by entering the Chrome Web Store address in your address bar or by using your regular method to reach the store. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar near the top of the page. Type Grammarly into the search bar and press Enter. You should see the Grammarly extension appear prominently in the results. Look for the official listing with the Grammarly name and icon and check that it's published by the verified Grammarly developer. This helps ensure you're installing the legitimate tool rather than a lookalike. Next, click the Add to Chrome button on the Grammarly extension page. This starts the installation process. Chrome will briefly check the extension and then show a small confirmation prompt. Review the information shown, which outlines what the extension needs to function properly. When you're ready, select Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension in just a few moments. After installation, you'll typically see a confirmation message and the Grammarly icon appear near the top right of your browser. At this point, Grammarly may open a welcome page in a new tab. To start using it, sign in to your Grammarly account. A sign-in page will appear, and you can follow the on-screen prompts to access your account securely. Once you're signed in, Grammarly can begin providing suggestions as you type in supported text fields across the web, such as webmail, documents, and social platforms. That's all there is to it. You opened Chrome and went to the Chrome Web Store, searched for Grammarly, clicked Add to Chrome, confirmed by selecting Add Extension, and signed in to your Grammarly account to activate it. From here, Grammarly will quietly work in the background, underlining potential issues and offering improvements. If you ever want to check its status, look for the icon in your browser. And remember, you're in control. Grammarly's suggestions are just that, suggestions, so you can accept the ones that fit your voice and skip those that don't. Thanks for watching, and enjoy writing with more confidence using Grammarly in Chrome.